Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. You're logged into Streamlabs and the chat provider, and you have admin rights. Go to Settings and locate the Chat or API section. Generate or paste the OAuth token where required. Once done, enter the exact channel ID and grant read/write permissions so messages flow. Make sure your firewall or network rules allow outgoing WebSocket connections. This avoids connection blocks. These steps establish credentials and basic connectivity before moving to detailed setup. Now configure the integration inside Streamlabs. Choose the correct platform and link the OAuth token you created. Map chat events to widgets or commands so messages trigger overlays or alerts. This tells Streamlabs how to interpret incoming data. Once mapped, use the built-in test or send a sample message from the chat provider to verify event flow. If messages don't appear, check WebSocket status and token scope. These actions wire up event handling and confirm that chat events will drive on-screen behavior. Finish by saving all settings and restarting Streamlabs to reload integrations. This often resolves stale states. Watch the connection logs and WebSocket status while a test message is sent. Logs show handshakes, errors, or rate limit warnings so you know what to fix. If the connection still fails, regenerate the OAuth token and reauthorize the chat integration. This clears expired scopes. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPNs or strict firewalls while testing, because they commonly block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.